today is going to be expression, Boolean expressions. So there are two types of Boolean law terms. Okay, canonical form we call. So those are like uh, POS, like product of sum or sum of product. So why do we need this SOP forms? Why we need this SOP? Why we are going to the sum of product of sum? There should be some advantages, right? Why we are going to this? Okay. So these whatever forms we are using, these are whatever the complex circuits are there, right? So that we can solve. Okay. So if we go to the advantages of the canonical forms are evaluation. So we can evaluate the circuits easily, and simplification and implementation is easy. Okay. So what all we have to check when we are going to the SOP or POS. So one note we have to say is always they can contain a single variable. So for example, here A is there. Okay, it can contain. So if you see in this circuit, there's like A, B, C, D. There are 4 variables, but they can contain one variable. Okay. Here there is a sum of products. So here it is product is A into 1. Okay. So this is a valid. And another one what we have to consider is in a SOP expression, the single overbar cannot extend more than one variable. For example, we have taken here A bar B C plus B bar C D. Right? So A bar is there. So bar is only for A here, and here bar is there for B bar C D. But this is a valid. Okay. The bar is only for one variable. Here, even though the two variables are there, but it is not extended, it is separate. Okay. So, for example, we can see here A B bar into C plus B into CD bar. So, here bar, if you see this, bar is extended to A to B and C to D. This is a invalid SOP form. So these are the main important things we have to consider when we are going for the SOP. And the same thing is applicable for POS also. Okay. We'll see for the POS. POS is a product of sum, right? So they can contain a single variable. So here also we can see A is there. So here it can be as A plus 1. Okay. So it can be as A plus 1. Here you can see A plus B plus C is there, and here B plus C is there. So this is a valid. And if we turn to the next point, so here also the same as POS, this should be a POS. In a POS, a single overbur cannot extend to the more than one variable. So here for your example, if you see A bar plus B dot B plus D is there. So this bar is only for A, right? So this is a valid. And then if you see the next example, it is A plus B bar. Here it is bar is extended, right? So this is all. This is a invalid. So we cannot extend the bar. Any questions here? Because when you are seeing the when the problem is being solved, right, we have to check this thing. The expression, whatever is provided, is a valid expression or not. Any doubts here? If there is no doubt, we'll move to the next one. So first we'll see the sum of product form. So what is sum of products? So we start here, right? Example, this is a one, these are the products, right? The products we are adding. So this is called sum of products. So if we see this one, this example is a SOP, but it is not standard SOP. So why it is not standard SOP? Anyone? What is standard SOP and SOP? If you want to make this expression as a standard SOP, what we have to do? Please be interactive. So you will understand like why we have to do it, and even I'll get you are understanding or not. Standard SOP means here whatever we are seeing here, right? Whatever we are seeing in this expression, we can see that A is there. Total in this variable, we can see A, B, C, D, right? A is also used, C, D is there, B, C, D is there. So here we can see in the first one, here only A is present, B, C, D are missing, correct? And the next one, A is missing, B is missing. So here A is missing. So this is not a standard. So standard means in all the products we should be having all the variables like A, B, C, D, all. So how to convert this expression to standard SOP?
And with ABC, all the variables.
Hmm. You're adding it.
ABCD.
If you do that, what you will get? I'll take one simple example. You must have one school and okay. So, simple example will take as AB plus ABC plus CB. Okay. So here AB is there, but C is missing, right? So here ABC is there, so no need to add anything. So here CB is there. So what is missing here? A is missing. Correct. So what we have to do here, we can take this as a AB into 1, right? Plus ABC plus CB, here what we have to do? So we have to take as a, right? So here also we'll take as a 1. So which law will you add here? AB. 1 means what we can add here for C? C plus C bar we can add it. C plus AB, A plus A bar. Again, we can do this with a distributive law, right? AB, C plus AB C bar plus ABC plus A. I'll just arrange this. This will become CBA. So we can write it as a ABC plus this is A bar BC. So here you can see ABC is there. Here also ABC is there. Here also ABC is there. Right, it is the same. So we can write it as a only one ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar BC. So this is our standard SOP. Next we will go to the POS. We will complete this example also. So in SOP, the min terms of the is a product of all the variables taken either in the direct or complemented form. So here we saw, right? So we can take them as a directly ABC, or we can take them as a as variable as it is, or we can take the complement also. There, and any Boolean function can be expressed as a sum of its one min term. Whenever we are taking the SOPs, we have to take with respect to the one. And the inverse of the function can be expressed as a 0, sum of its 0 min terms. So for example, here there is one example, like f of, we are now denoting it as a f of x, y, z. X, y, z are the variables. So x bar, y bar, z bar plus x, y bar, z plus x, y, z bar plus x, y, z. So this we call it as a like AND gate. SOP is can be denoted as a AND gate. This can be given as a M0, M5, M6, M7, and 0, 5, 6, 7. This, how they are saying 0, 5, 6, 7, have you understood this one, or shall I explain this? Anyone can tell me like how this is taken as a M0, M5, M6, M7? Why they have taken this summation of 0, 5, 6, 7?
Madam, please repeat it, ma'am, please.
Okay. So what SOP we call? For the SOP, we take it as a sum of 1. Okay. If you take as an AND gate, okay, whatever is there, so you should you'll be taking as a 1. Like for example, x, y is there. Okay. So in x, y, and this is the output. So z I'll take. Not with respect to this one. Okay. I'm just taking as a 2 input. So if it is 0, 1, 1, 0. And it's 0, 0. 0, 1, 1. Or if you take 0, 0, it will be 0. it is 0, 0, 1, right? For the AND gate. So for whatever we are doing, right? So here you can see that the expression is whatever we are doing in the SOP, we'll be taking it as a 1. So like example XYZ is there. I will just solve this example only so you'll understand that. And just clear the thing. Okay. For example, we have a XYZ three variables. Okay. We'll take as a X, Y, and Z. So whatever combination we here, there are three variables, right? 2 raised to 3 is 8 combinations, right? So we have to write all the 8 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So we'll denote this as a if we are taking as a min term, right? With the SOP. For SOP, we call a min term. How we'll denote this is whatever 0 is there because SOP will be pointing to the 1. Always be looking for the 1. So here it is 0, so we have to denote it as a X bar. X bar, Y bar, Z bar. So here X bar, Y bar, Z. Here it is X bar, Y, Z bar. X bar, Y, Z. Then X. So we have to check these things. So for you're following up this, right? How we are writing this SOP in terms. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
Yeah, understood.
Okay.
Understood.
So here by Y bar Z. So we have to check this 1 and 0 for with respect to the X and Y. So we have to write this. Here again we'll get a X, Y bar, Z, X, Y, Z bar, X, Y, and Z. Okay. So these things, whatever we are doing, will denote as a M, small m. Okay, denotation. So this will be M0, M1, M2, M3, M5, M6, and M7. Okay, here whatever they have written, right? So you can take this as a, you can check these things. X, X bar, Y bar, Z bar is there. Where is X, Y bar, Z bar? At the here, right? So this is M0. So they have taken as a M0. Next is X, Y bar, Z. So X, Y bar, Z. We need to check that. Okay, where is that X, Y bar, Z? So X, Y bar, Z. So that is a M5. So they have taken as a M5. Next, X, Y, Z bar. So where is X, Y, Z bar? X, Y, Z bar is a M6. Right? So here M6 is taken. Next, X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z means all one. So X, Y, Z is a M7. So you can take it as a M7. So next, in the summation, we'll just denote the numbers. Okay. So M0 is 0. So they have taken 0. M5 is 5 in this number. So 5. 6, they have taken 6, M6. M7 has taken as a 7. So this is a, for SOP, we'll mention it as a summation like this. This you have understood, right? How to solve this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here only we can see for the POS. For a POS, always will be checking for the POS is a product of sum. So product of sum is like OR gate. Okay. So in a OR gate, if you see that, I'll just take two variable things, x, y, and z is the output. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here what happens? 0, 1, 1, 1. So always we'll be checking for the 0 here. Okay. Whatever maximum we are taking, we will be taking as a 0. So we'll go to the expression here. Whatever expression we are getting, like x, y, z, x plus y plus z. These are the sum of product. Is here it is into product x plus y plus z bar into x plus y bar plus z into x bar y z. Okay. Here, what in the SOP will denote it as a small m. Here will denote it as a capital M. And this is a summation, what we denote. Okay. Then we'll check that how they are taking x, y, z for the M0. Here we are SOP we are denoting 0 as a bar, right? Because SOP will be checking for the means of one, sum of its one, right? Here, if it is in a POS, if it is 0, it will be as a x, y, z. This is for POS I'm writing. This will be 0, right? So x, y, z bar. Wherever 1 comes, you have to take as a complement. So next is x, y bar, z. So here it will be plus you have to add. Okay. X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z bar, x plus y bar plus z. Here it will be x plus y bar plus z bar, x bar because 1 is there, plus y plus z. Here x bar, y plus z bar, x bar plus y bar plus z. So this will be x bar plus y bar plus z bar. I understood this. How we are taking for the SOP and POS. If you have any doubts, you can ask me because this is important. If you didn't understand this, how you are doing, so then it will be difficult for the KMAP also. If the concept is clear, how you are taking the SOPs, POS. Tagore, Shad,
Yes.
this concept is clear. How we are taking the midterms, max terms,
Yes.
Umar and Tagore.
Madam, POS is missing.
Okay. POS, you understood or shall I repeat the
SOP is
POS?
what POS understood, not understood, ma'am.
Okay, SOP and POS, you are not understood.
SOP okay, ma'am. POS not understood.
Okay. Okay. I'll repeat that one. I just take a new slide and I'll that's the POS. you have not understood, just mention. Okay, I'll repeat it.
Sure, ma'am. Next time I will do it.
Uh, So for example, we'll take X, Y, Z. Okay. So this is only for the POS we are taking now. Okay. So here there are three variables. So if we have a three variables, what is the formula? Like 2 to the power n. So we have three variables, 2 raised to 3s, 8 variables, 8 combinations, right? So we have to take all the combinations first. So I'll just take this. And then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So here, what we are doing, we are checking for the POS, right? So POS is a max terms. So in the max term, POS is what? Product of sum. Correct. So it will be like these are some products. So we have to have the plus signs here between these things. Okay. So how we are doing, and this will be denoting as the OR gate only. Okay. This will point to the 0. If it is a 1, we have to take it as a negation. This concept is clear, right? For max term, what you are taking? You are taking the 0 for the max term.
Yes, yes.
So for here, we'll write the max term for this. So 0, 0, 0 is there. So what it will become? It will become x plus y plus z. You got this thing? Why we are writing x plus y plus z? This is a product of sum. Okay. So here we are taking each one. So this is one product. This is one. This is one. Here we are adding these things. So this will be denoted as a capital C. Next is x plus y is 0. So we'll take y. Next plus z is 1. Right. So we have to take it as a complement. So it will become z bar. Next, same x is 0. So we are taking x plus y is 1. So we have to take it as a y bar. Plus z is 0. So we have to take it as a z bar. Next, x is 0, x, y is 1, so y bar, plus z is 1, so we have to take it as a z bar. Next, same for the next, x is 1, so we have to take x as a x bar, plus y is 0 and z is 0, so we'll take y plus z. Next, x is 1, so we are taking x bar, plus y is 0, so we are taking y, plus z is 1, so we are taking z bar. Similarly for next, x is 1, x bar, y is 1, y bar, plus z is 0, so z. Here all are 1, right? So x bar plus y bar plus z bar. How will denote these things? So number we can select 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. So we have to mention that with the capital M. So max term will mention with the capital M. Min term will mention with the small m. These concepts are clear, right? Any doubts in this?
Yes, clear, ma'am.
Umar, is it clear for you? This one you have to remember, like max terms are associated with the OR gate. They are associated with the 0. That is OR gate. Okay. So only whatever plus we are doing, right? So it is because of the OR gate only. So it represents the OR gate, right? So for SOP, it is associated with 1 and that represents the AND gate. Is it clear? Okay, we were solving this problem, right? So now we solve this x plus y plus z is there. So it means it is 0, 0, 0, right? So it will become M0. So we have taken here also 0. So here it will become x is 0, 0, 1. So this is M1, 0, 1, 0. It's 2. So M2 and here also 2 we have taken. XY is 1, 0, 0. So it is 4. But we have taken as of M4 and 4. Is this clear? And you have to check this one also. This is for the, we are taking it as a 5 for the max term. And for SOP, we'll take it as a summation. So before going to that, we'll solve some problems. So think, can you solve the problem? I'll just write down the problem here. So the question is A plus B into A. So this we have to make it as a standard SOP form. Can anyone please solve this? I'll ask you to how you have solved. Then I'll go with the solution. Can you tell me here, anyone, how to solve this? Kumar, Shah, Tagore. So is this in a standard form?
No.
Why it is not in the standard form?
Because
Hmm?
in the first part only A is there, B is not there.
In the first part, A plus B is there.
I said
In the second part, only A is there. So here, what is missing? B is missing, correct? So what we have to do?
B plus B bar. A dot 1.
Okay, A dot 1.
And 1 we can write as B plus B bar.
I'll just solve as you say. Okay, then we'll see which is correct. Okay, you are saying A into 1. Next, we'll just solve this one. Okay. Okay. A we are taking, then what you will do? Please continue. Not able to hear anything. Yes, you were saying. Yeah, let it be like whatever it is, we'll try that. Okay, because see, whatever laws we are applying, it is correct only. Whatever you are saying is correct. Don't hesitate like if it is wrong or something. Okay, if it is wrong, also let it be. Yes, you are saying. Please continue. Others, okay, solve it your end and then I'll solve it. Tell me what final equation you are getting in the standard format. I'll let you out. Hi, Revti.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, I didn't know the class daily. The class will be start at 8 o'clock because yesterday you messaged me. Ma'am.
Okay, yeah, daily class will be started at 8. So some said at 7 they were not available, right?
Okay.
So yeah, 8 to 9 daily classes will be there.
Okay.
If it is not there, we'll mention in the best. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we have explained, we have seen like SOPs and POs. We were there at that time. You missed that. You have got right. SOPs, POs, how we'll do. What is SOP? What is POS? How we are converting into standard forms. Everything.
Okay. I will go through the recorded video.
Okay. We'll solve this problem.
During weekends, what is the time, ma'am?
Weekends, we have to check when all will be available. So that time we can do. But in daily weekdays, it will be 8 to 9.
Okay. Okay.
Take this here, a plus b into a. So here b is missing, right? So what we can do is we can take it as a plus b into a plus 0. Okay. So here a plus b will keep as it is. In a plus 0, so we'll take a plus 0 can be taken as a b plus b bar, right? A plus 0 is a identity law. Then this is a complement. Then we'll take it as a plus b. We'll apply the distributive law. So if you apply distributive law, what happens? It will become b bar.
0, we can write it as b plus b bar.
Correct?
How 0
Huh?
is written as b plus b bar?
B plus B bar. So we saw this, right? A plus A bar is, sorry, A plus A bar is 0,
Yeah.
right? So same we are applying for the B plus B bar. This is complementary law, right? A plus A bar equals A plus B will keep as it is. Then just we will take this into A plus B into A plus C bar. So here A plus B is twice, right? So this will become only one, right? So we'll take it as A plus B into A plus B. So in the both we have A, B as both the variables. So now this has become the standard SOP. Okay, clear? One more expression we can take. Okay, so A plus A, B, C. So here there are three variables. In A, where the B and C are missing. What will do this? There I have taken one, right? So yeah, 0. So here it has to take as a like, I'll just take for the A, will be A into 1. So I'll add one by one because here B and C both are missing. Correct. So what we can do, A into C plus B bar, A into B plus A into B bar. Then we can add A, B into 1, we can take, right? So plus again A, B bar into 1 plus A, B into C plus B bar plus A, B bar into C plus B bar. So again distributive law, A, B, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A, B bar, C bar. So this is only for the A, right? So now we have to add this ABC also. Correct? So now what the final output will become? So we'll just add the ABC here, ABC. Here also ABC is there, here also ABC is there. So we can remove this. It will become only one ABC, ABC plus A B bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar. So sometimes what happens, we can apply the laws, two laws. Now, if we have to convert, now it's becoming a standard SOP form, right? So if you have to write in the format like canonical form, how will you write this? ABC is what? Here will represent as a 1, right? So it means this is
Summation of 0.
no, this is min SOP. So we
Okay.
have a ABC. It means it should be 1, 1, 1, right? SOP represents 1. That is AND gate, correct? So here it is what ABC means it is 1, 1, 1. It is a product of sum of product, right? So it is like it will be M7 plus again here. So it is 1, 1, 0. It will become M6 plus 1, 0, 1, and 5. Next is 1, 0, 0 is M4. So final, we can write this equal to summation of 7, 6, 5, 4. This is our final expression. Got this right? How to solve?
Can you please show the previous question?
Taking time of failure. See what happens, whatever you are taking here, right? So you can apply here complement. I have applied. So you can apply that also. There also we can apply as a 1 into 1 and we can apply the same thing. I will just check. I will just try to check the previous example of the taken. It was A plus B, right? A plus B into A. This example you are asking, right? Hello.
Yes. In that second step, second part, we are A plus, we are making it as A plus 0.
This is POS, right? This is POS. So we have to check what we are doing. This is a sum of products. So here it is product. So we have to check. Let's see. Our motto is we have a different laws, but we have to check what we are final product has to be. Depending on that, we have to apply the law. You got the point? Why we have taken 1 year, why we were taking 0 there?
Yes,
Because we want POS, product of
yes.
sum.
Yes, that I understand.
Hmm?
After taking 0, that 0 written as b plus b bar, no? That's it. That second part a we are writing as a plus 0, right? No.
Yes. Okay, we got it. Let me just check that. That's three. So they
A plus 0,
plus 0.
and that 0 we are writing as b bar, right?
Yes, B bar.
Okay. Okay.
We want B, right? B is missing here, right?
Now before it is b plus b bar, it is written, right? That's it.
Okay.
In complement law, a plus a bar is 1, right? It is not 0.
Yes, A plus A bar is 1. A into
Okay.
A bar is 0.
Okay. So here we will write as b bar.
Just go through some examples. Okay, once K-map is also completed, I'll give the problems. Just try to solve any problem. If you have any doubts, tomorrow, first we'll check the problem and then we'll go to the next examples and K-map. Because to solve the K-map, again, we have to go through this SOP and POIs. So today we have seen the SOP. So we'll see some examples tomorrow also for SOP and POS. Any doubts here? Just try to solve as much as possible. So if you have any questions, we can discuss that.